Hi! In this video, I will show you how to extract collocations with the help of the noSketch engine concordancer. On the noSketch engine page at Clarin SI, we select the cParallel corpus. To extract collocations, we first need to produce a concordance list for our word in focus. We do this by clicking the search option in the left menu. On the search page, we check that the correct corpus is selected in the first box, and then we expand the text type submenu. Next, we select a subcorpus, in our case the all terms female subcorpus, and then we move back up to define our search query. As our focus word, we will use the Slovene expression for the noun female. Since Slovene is a highly inflected language and we want to extract collocations for all word forms of our focus word, we need to search by lemma. To do this, we first expand the query type submenu. Then we enter our focus word in the lemma field, and in the box next to it we define its part of speech, which in our case is the noun. Now that all parameters are set, we click the Make Concordance button. When a concordance list for our lemma appears, we select the collocations option in the left menu. Here we first change the word attribute to lemma lowercase and set the context window to -1 and +1 in order to compile a list of collocation candidates that co-occur directly before or after our focus word. We use the preset minimum frequency criteria and use the log die statistics for calculating collocation strength. Finally, we click Make Candidate List. The result is a list of lemmas that collocate with our focus word. If we want to examine their co-occurrence in context, we can click the letter P link, which stands for the positive filter option, and display the relevant concordances. Then we can go back, choose the next word and display its context as well. If we go back again, we can also save this list of collocation candidates to further analyze them offline. By clicking the Save option in the left menu, we choose the CSV format that renders data in such a way that it can be easily pasted to a spreadsheet. To download the file, we need to click the Save Collocation Candidates button.